Hey guys, Monsters. We're playing Assassin, and I'm gonna be joined by Jake 2003, which he's in the game. It's like my screen recording thing is like recording you. It's covering your name. Okay. And Jake has an exotic knife too. And Jake, can you say how you do?
Dude, follow me.
Okay. Oh God! Oh Jesus! Alright guys, and about my new other video, the I'm quitting YouTube video. I'm not actually quitting. Please it was just for fun. I did not it was just try to prank you. Sometimes I would never invite YouTube, but my voice has got, I don't know, like, but it's like it's been a while since oh Jesus, Jake, where are you? Oh no. Oh Jesus, oh jeez. Oh, I got killed. So, cause like, okay, I'm spectating you. Cause like, it's like, I don't know why, like, I might make that, if you guys, leave me a comment if you think, that was like, if I think I should make that unlisted. Cause like, I'm never gonna quit YouTube. Cause I know to keep trying. I forgot to do a white goal on my last video, that just reminded me. I don't know how. But I'm gonna do another. It's actually like almost. It's almost actually ROBUX. I'm going back to school tomorrow. It's kind of, I'm like not happy. I was depressed, and I'm like, I'm not ready to go back to school tomorrow. Oh Jesus, I can't even think about the thumbnail. I got it. Let's see this. Oh God. I'm trying to see this. I'm trying to see the. Oh God, I said. Oh wait, why am I screen recording? Oh jeez. Oof. I don't know why I'm doing it. That's better. I got this guy. Let's do this. Hey, where'd you? Oh, gee.
Lag.
Oof. I think. Did I eliminate everybody? I think there's. Is it everybody? Okay, I think we eliminated everybody. Oh, we did. Oh wait, what? I know, like I'm lagging too a little bit. So my voice is getting deeper for some reason. I don't know. I think I'm getting a voice crack. Like, I might react to my oldest videos. I think I might get a hilarious reaction, cause like I was like so a lot of energy. Oh God, let's see this. Okay, we got this. Well, oh, I think that guy's a target. I think he's a target. I think that guy is that guy is targeted me. Oh, I just got killed. Oof. And guys, if you've seen the thumbnail for my video, like for my last video, like it just if you look at the bottom right corner, it says April Fool's in parentheses. I had to like adjust the lighting because it was like before I just like it was like blurry, so it's like I can't find it. Oh my god, it's 11:11. Ah, Jesus, I don't know what that was for. Okay. Oh my god, I got failed. Lose my. Oh, that guy's. Okay, that guy. Okay. Oh. Rip phone, rip phone. I think did I win? Oh yeah, I won. Ah, there we go. Sorry. Oh my god. Oh, that's good. So we're gonna be having fun. Jake, alright. Jake, where are you? What are you doing? Wait, what is? Oh jeez. Wait. Oh my god. I almost lost these. Oh. Where's my next target? Oh god, that's in target, that's in target. He's in target, he's in target. Guys, like. Oh. Oh, I gotta get this revenge. Oh jeez. So you guys still in the game?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And I thought you were. Oh, you left the. You died in the game. Why are my hands white? Why are my hands white? What the heck? Did I get like sunburn? Did I get sunburn or something? Alright guys.
Do you want to play Dash Simulator here?
Yeah. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. I gotta get a perfect thumbnail. I gotta try to get a thumbnail for. Hey Jake, let me be in the thumb. I'm trying to get a thumbnail. I gotta get a thumbnail first. Let me get my knife. I swear, someone kills me. Alright, okay. Let's do it. Alright. I'll see you in the next video, guys. and bye guys.